so indecisive. Why you gotta be, yeah. I just wanna stop all the fighting. And you don't know what you want. And you don't know what you're fighting for. And baby, you're the one, the only one that I adore.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I know I've been going for like a month, not even almost, probably more than a month. Hopefully new videos every week as we did originally plan. So today I'm just doing a get ready with me. I'm doing a hair, makeup and outfit. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is my hair. So I have already glued down my hair. My hair is from VShow7 Hair on Instagram. So yeah. Oh god, look at this lace. I've already glued it on and stuff. This wig has been on for a couple of days, so please, my lace might be a bit crusty, but you know, it's okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off today anyway, so please let's not talk about it, okay? Let's not. Yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hot comb it and just like flatten it out. I'm gonna use the Keracare Wax stick just to like flatten this part a lot more and to like lay down the flyaways, because I do have quite a few of them. I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I'm gonna use the what is the Creme of Nature foaming mousse. I'm also gonna kind of just place this on top. Such a baby hairs person, like I love baby hairs, but I just feel like I can never do them as good as I want them to be. Like the way these hairstylists do these baby hairs, I'm like, oh please, I want it on my head, like I want it on my head, but I can never do it as good. Okay, hopefully it looks good. I'm just gonna do the same to this side. I'm gonna like put some mousse on the hairline to kind of brush the hair back, make sure it stays there. I need to make sure I don't put too much mousse on this hairline, because my wig isn't obviously fresh, so it could lift if I'm not careful. Once you can feel that headache come through, that's how you know it's tight enough. I'm just gonna section out my hair, and then I'm gonna start from the back, and then I'm gonna start curling it. So I'm gonna grab like a good thick piece like that. I'm gonna clip the rest behind me like this. Yeah, cool. Okay, so the first thing I do when I'm curling my hair is, if I can find it. Oh, it's right for me. Okay, yeah. So the first thing that I do is I take this argan oil heat defense leave-in spray, and then I just spray it on the hair like that, and then just kind of rub it in. Then like I brush it in, and then after that I take this I've been using this for curling as well, because it just allows it not to be dry and like crispy, so it just gives it that like oil and hydration in it, because you know curls do need kind of a bit of oil, not like thick oil but like really thin oil, because or else it just starts to look dry and it's just not cute. So yeah, then I'm going to take my Babyliss little curler. And then so what I do is I like on different parts of my hair I curl in different directions. So like for like my left side, yeah, that's my left side, I would curl this way, because so when I like do when my curls drop, I like to like tuck in my hair like this way. Like, if you guys not talking about you like. But yeah, basically, I don't know if you guys will see when I get to the top. It doesn't really matter how you curl at the bottom because you can't really ever see that, but it matters kind of at the top. So I've curled the this side of my hair. It's all done. I'm gonna do this side off camera so like you can get going. Time for the makeup. So finally I have done with my hair, curling my hair, and it looks like this. I'm gonna like brush up the curls later when I'm done, just so it can kind of like stay in this way. But recently I've been loving this Fenty Insta Retouch primer, because it just does something to my skin and it's just so like moisturizing, but it also has like a little bit, just a tad bit of like a tackiness. So I've been really liking it recently. That's all I've literally been using non-stop. So I am doing putting on Creme before my eyebrows, only because I've just washed my hands and I don't like touching my face if my hands aren't washed, and by the time I do my eyebrows I know my hands will be contaminated again, so, and I'm not getting back up to go and wash my hands, so I'm going to do it first so my hands are clean. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows now, and I'm doing more of a soft glam today, like nothing too major, like cute, you know, little like brown and stuff, like in the eyes and stuff. Maybe I do like eyes first, but I think today I'm gonna do face first. So I'm gonna go in with, you guys already know, my favorite foundation, the black Opal Skin Perfecting foundation stick, and just, you know, put a couple swipes of this on my face. Just a little bit on my forehead because I don't put a lot of foundation directly underneath my eyes, only because I'm going to conceal anyways, so there's literally no point to put any foundation there. And also that's just adding to like creasing, because if like most people naturally have crease underneath the eyes, if you don't, like you but so I don't put foundation there because it's just like that's just too many layers then, it's just kind of gonna automatically crease, and there isn't really any need to have foundation on the day. I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm just gonna blend them. Next I'm going to go in with this Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. I actually feel like it's starting to finish, but I don't even use this that much, so I'm not even sure why it's disappearing like this, because I actually don't use this that much. I've just started to kind of recently use it, but I do want another shade in this, like a lighter shade, just to like intensify the highlight, just to like brighten. But yeah, I'm just gonna put concealer, you know, in the usual places. I think major. But this is a really good light. When everyone used to hype about this concealer, I'm just like, ugh, listen, if it's not my makeup revolution, I don't want to hear it. But it is actually a really good concealer. Then I just kind of like place it over my lids as well, just to, you know, cover them. start prepping it for like eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush just to like blend out these edges, make sure there isn't any harsh lines. Now I'm going to go with my setting powder, which is the Sacha Buttercup. I'm not holding at that. Yeah. But I do really want to try and get the Laura Mercier Honey. If you guys have heard about it. Because I've never tried Laura Mercier because I never got the translucent one. Because it's just like, obviously they say it's good for like dark skins as well and brown skins. But I've just never just trusted it. And please, it's actually not that cheap to be buying and not liking it. So, but I think I do want the honey to like try it out, because I don't really try that many powders, so I would like to try that one. I'm gonna use my face powder to set this in my face. If you guys don't know what this is for, this is to basically just set the rest of my face. Obviously we set our under eyes with setting powder, but we can't forget the rest of our face, because then just the foundation and stuff are just gonna move everywhere, and this is just to set the foundation in. Because yeah, then I'm gonna be going in with my, this is actually a new favorite bronzer of mine. It is the Makeup Revolution Sculpting Bronzer. No, Makeup Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer. It looks like that. I've got a bit of setting powder on it, but it's really pretty. In the shade Enrobe. I love me some of this. Ooh, can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Sorry. Literally, I love bronzer. I feel like bronzer's one of my favourite steps, if not concealer, but I love me some bronzer because it just does. Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay. Next. So ever since I bought this blush, I have been using it non-stop. So it's the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded palette. No, not palette, please. It's not palette. Yeah, but it is so pretty. And before I was never a blusher babe, because I just thought like I have bronzer, bronzer is enough, but blusher, it's another one. It's real cute. A lot of my brushes are dirty, so I'm just like trying to find other brushes to use. But I'm just gonna press this into my. I'm gonna like blend out my eyelid. Gonna just set my eyelids with the MAC powder. That brown shade right there. So I'm using the Morphe M330 brush. And what I've realised about Morphe brushes is that, well, the eye brushes is that I prefer the black lid ones than the white ones, because these kind of like irritate my eye. I think because those are like synthetic straws, not straws but strands, so, or hair should I say. So they really do like irritate my eyes, and just like they just like, it feels like a scratch in my, not my eye, but you know, my eyelid. So I do prefer these ones. They feel more soft on the skin. And next I'm gonna go in with this Revolution palette. This is really messy, and I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna mix these two. I'm gonna mix those two like pale shades, and I'm just gonna like, I'm not even gonna cut my crease, I'm just gonna mix the two, and I'm gonna place them just, you know, on my lid like this. Just trying to like envision a crease, cut crease, but like I'm not cutting a crease. And then I'm gonna go back in with the brush I was using just to like make sure it stays where I kind of want it. So this is just really such a soft glam, which is me. I'm a soft glam babe. So yeah, hope you guys can see this. Do the other eye, and this doesn't have to be as neat and precise as. So that's what that looks like. I'm gonna just spray my face with this, the Morphe continuous spray quickly. Then after that I'm just gonna use some mascara, put on some eyelashes, and then I should be back. With my eyelashes from my cosmetic line, cosmetic brand. These are Dior lashes. So I'm gonna go in with this lip liner from Morphe in the shade Trendsetter. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. Fixing my hair, then I'm gonna put on the outfit for you guys, and yeah, we'll see the full look in a minute. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!